Hey there, welcome to our channel and thank you for tuning in today. In this video, we've got an exciting topic to discuss that we think you're going to love. Whether you're a fan of us or just looking to learn something new, we've got you covered. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into today's content. Welcome students, to our TikTok marketing class. Our goal for this class is to introduce you to the basics of TikTok marketing, and how to create successful campaigns on the platform. TikTok Marketing Basics. In this section, we will cover the basics of TikTok marketing, including how the platform works, its audience, and its unique features. We'll explore the different types of content that work well on TikTok, and how to create content that resonates with your target audience. We'll also discuss how to set up a TikTok account for your business, and how to optimize your profile for success. Creating a TikTok marketing strategy. In this section, we'll focus on how to create a successful TikTok marketing strategy. We'll cover how to identify your target audience on the platform, how to set goals for your campaigns, and how to measure success. We'll also discuss the different types of TikTok ad formats available and how to use them effectively. Running TikTok ad campaigns. In this section, we'll dive into the details of running a TikTok ad campaign. We'll cover how to create and launch a campaign, how to set a budget, and how to target your ads to the right audience. We'll also discuss how to optimize your ad campaigns for success and how to measure and analyze their performance. Congratulations! You've completed our TikTok marketing class. We hope that you've learned valuable insights into the basics of TikTok marketing and how to create successful campaigns on the platform. Remember to stay up to date with the latest TikTok trends, and to continue experimenting with new content ideas to keep your brand relevant and engaging. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.